In the Asia session update today morning for crude oil and net gas, we had discussed that a buy entry at 72.8 levels should be good, and then 73.5 is the first target. Almost this is achieved. At the same time, net gas too has traded bullish. In fact, has gone close to 2.3, the first resistance level. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position you should take and at what level so that you can profit trading crude oil and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Also, you can get the updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Do join that, and before leaving the video, do press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now on the hourly charts, one thing you can see clearly how beautifully there is a line which is supporting and the 20 period moving average is just lying below. This is a good sign that it is trying to trade bullish here. Taking the support now from 73 levels, we are seeing a rise. There is a little resistance at 73.5 because beyond which 73.6, if it trades above 74 is the next resistance zone, and beyond 74 it is going to fly high again. Hence you can wait for 73.6 to be breached and more bullishness may prevail beyond those levels. At the same time, a sell entry is clearly below 73 levels where you can expect 72.6 and 72. 72 is the maximum support level for the. Now look, all the moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. It is a good sign. Directional movement is also bullish. Stochastic is trading comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. And if you look at the MACD, this is almost flattened here, and it has seen a good run so far on the early chart, but now it is flattened, waiting for a direction, and almost at highs, and hence little retracement after achieving the highs cannot be denied. RSI almost at top, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, now looking at 2-hour charts also, this is the similar observation what we have got there. It is trading with the support line. The moving averages have crossed over. The support system exists still towards 72 and 71. The prices are divergent from the moving average, and hence once it breaks below 73, you can try to initiate a sell entry for 72.6 and 72. It may try to fill the gap till 72 before looking forward to a rise there. Directional movement extremely bullish. Stochastic is rising. MACD has seen a very good run and is now trying to stabilize here. RSI very near to the overbought zone, and if you look at the 3-hour, very similar observation lies here, and see the moving averages crossed over here, and it is also a very good support zone, and hence 72, 71 are now going to remain the support zones there for crude oil, even if it tries to drop, because see there is a gap there and which it may try to fill, and possibly it is situated at 72. If not today, possibly in next few sessions we may see it filling the gap. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic has dropped trying to rise. MACD is still in green trying to converge a bit. RSI almost near to overbought levels, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, so similar is the observation. Resistance there is seen at 74, which is certainly going to remain a very good resistance zone, and hence wait for 73.6. You can still buy for 74, but 74 is a very good resistance level. Remember the fact, above 74 we can see it flying high. Now, and a sell entry below 73 can be taken. However, 72.6, 72.5, 72 very good support till 72 exist. Direction movement bullish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is still bullish. It is trading with divergence, and RSI is almost trading with a positive slope but near to overbought zone. Now look at the daily charts. Firstly, on the daily charts, you can see lower highs are done, higher lows are done, trying to consolidate. There is a gap left. It may keep the gap left for a little while before looking forward to fulfill. Also, if you look at the moving averages, have now started to converge. This is a good bullish sign. Staying above 74 and then 75 levels, you can expect my favorite 76.5 levels to get achieved, and beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. Directional movement is not indicative of anything. Stochastic is seen a rise there. The MACD is crossed over and it is trading with divergence, and it is crossing over at bottom. This is what we had discussed, and right now it is still looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish, and hence 74 is the level beyond which more bullishness may prevail. You can buy here at 73.6, but one need to remain very cautious and alert for 73.8, 74 levels. Once it stays above 74, it is going to fly high for 74.5, 75 levels, and then 76.5, if not today, possibly in next few sessions. On the downside, you can sell here at 73 today. Now below 73, 72.8, 72.5 levels, very good support, and then 72. Till 72 it has got maximum support. Below 72 you can expect the next target to be 71.5 and 71 levels. Chances are less. It is right now trading with a bullish bias. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably and want to learn the tools, techniques and strategies so that you can trade profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on today, and 23rd batch will start on first week of July, 1st of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where you're trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now look at the moving average crossover on the RD charts, divergence and bullishness. At the same time, net gas also has got a lower end fix there, and it is trading beautifully in this channel. Now the support levels are far below at 2.24, and hence only sell entry I will recommend is below 2.24. Right now you can see in the morning update we discussed a support at 2.26. Yes, that was a support. It has tried to rise above that. It has gone till towards 2.3 and now trying to retrace. But a sell entry I will recommend is only below 2.24 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is dropping here. MACD is still in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is also seen a little drop. And if you look at the 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise, trading in this bullish channel, it is trying to show a little swing. Only sell entry below 2.24 can be taken. Below 2.24, 2.22, 2.2, very good support. Only if it breaches below 2.2, it is going to be considered as bearish. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish. RSI flat. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, similar observation on the 3 hour chart. See, it has formed 3 rising candles. Now it is going to give you a swing candle. It is still not bearish. Remember the fact, it is still not bearish. Just trying to show a little swing so that most of the orders get cancelled. And yes, if you see trading below 2.24, you can sell for 2.2 to 2.2 levels. Very good support at 2.2, and just you can see this fact here. Now in between 2.2 and 2.3, one has to remain extra cautious. Directional movement divergent bearish. Stochastic is overbought, and that is why we can see a little swing here on the 3 hour charts. But the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also trying to trade with a slight bullish bias. Now look at the 4 hour chart. First of all, on the 4 hour charts, it has breached the pattern in which it was trading since long, and now it is trying to retrace. At the same time, you can see this was the first resistance zone at 2.3. It has failed to break past those levels, certainly about 2.3. We can say that it has reversed, and I will wait for 2.36, 2.4 to be breached on the up. And hence in between 2.24 and 2.3 levels, let's be cautious. Alert. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over here at bottom, trading with little divergence and bullishness. Also remember, this crossover is happening after a long while, and hence it can continue for a while. RSI is retraced, and on the daily chart, see, first of all, higher lows were seen there, higher highs are seen here. Support levels on the downside at 2.3, 2 resistance at 2.3. In between this, one has to remain extra cautious. There is a gap needs to be filled. However, right now it is trading bullish, and it is on the path of a reversal. The next resistance zone about 2.3 is 2.4 levels, which is a very good resistance. Directional movement is bearish here, trying to converge. Stochastic is back to oversold levels, and it is looking forward to a recovery. The MACD is also bearish. It is trying to converge crossover. RSI at bottom. Considering this for the day now, between 2.24 and 2.28 levels at least, do not take any position. Above 2.28 also, 2.3 is the level which I will look forward for it to break past by. Beyond 2.3, you can expect 2.36, 2.4 levels as the next resistance level. Very good resistance exists for net gas at 2.4. Only if it breaches and trades about 2.4, you can consider that it is reverse and it is going to trade bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, sell at 2.24, buy at 2.28. Do not trade in between these levels. And on the downside between 2.2 and on the upside till 2.3, one has to remain extra cautious and alert. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.